Good day everyone, I'm Ivy Girl S. Delgado and I'm going to present equations and inequalities in two variables. Our objectives for today first is to introduce equations and inequalities in two variables. Second, illustrate linear equations and inequalities in two variables. So, when we say equation, it is a sentence that uses an equal sign. And when we say inequality, it is a sentence that uses an equality symbol such as greater than or equal to, less than, and less than or equal to. The phrase in two variables means that the two different variables are used to determine if the sentence is true. In other words, you'll be choosing values for two different variables and substituting this into the sentence to decide if it is true or false. So, example of an equation in two variables. So, x plus y is equal to 5. So, it is an equation in two variables because of the equal sign. It is in two variables because two different variables, x and y, are used to determine if the equation is true. And we say this is an equation in x and y. And when x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4, the equation is true because 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So, another example of an equation is 2x is equal to 10 minus 2y. So, example of an inequality in two variables. So, x plus y is greater than or equal to 5. So, this sentence, x plus y is greater than or equal to 5 is an inequality in two variables. It is an inequality because of the symbol greater than or equal to. So, another example of inequality in two variables is y is greater than x plus 1, y is greater than or equal to x. Okay, solutions of equations or inequalities in two variables. Let us denote an equation or inequality in two variables x and y. Then the following are equivalent. AB lies on the graph of S. AB satisfies S. Substitution for A for x and B for y makes the sentence S true. So, example 1. Does the point 1, negative 2 lie on the graph of 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 4? So, the answer is yes, since the equation 2 times 1 plus 3 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4, which is true. Another question. Does the point 0, negative 1 satisfy the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to negative 4? The answer is no, since the equation 2 times 0 plus 3 times negative 1 is equal to negative 4, which is false because the answer should be negative 3. Another example. Does the point 3, 5 satisfy the inequality y greater than 4? The answer is yes, since substitution of 5 for y makes the inequality true. Lastly, does the point 3, 5 satisfy the inequality x greater than 4? The answer is no, since substitution of 3 for x makes the inequality false. Okay, so for the summary, so in this lesson, it is all about linear equation and inequalities in two variables. So we have differentiated the term equation and inequality. Equation is a sentence that uses an equal sign, while inequality is a sentence that uses inequality symbols such as less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And also, we have given several examples about linear equations and inequalities in two variables. So that's all for today, and thank you.